Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do acrylic pouring, and I have chosen to do acrylic pouring inside an ornament. So as you see, this is one body altogether, but sometimes you can find some of these ornaments that are split in half, and those are not good for acrylic pouring, because what we are going to do is we're going to remove this part here at the top, and we're going to pour acrylic inside. So it's good to be one together, so when we move the paint it moves flawlessly. You also are going to need a cup or a container where we can drain the acrylic. We're going to need glue. I have chosen Elmer's glue, clear glue, acrylic paint, and some alcohol, which does not really matter what kind of alcohol you get. I've already prepared some here, different colors. This is the consistency, that's how they look like. So to make the mixture, we're going to pour acrylic first. Usually like a quarter of the amount, quarter of the cup, or depends what you are measuring with. Now we're going to pour glue. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to pour glue, which is going to be twice the size of the paint. And then we're going to pour alcohol. I find with alcohol is easier to flow and it drains quickly, while glue helps with sticking in the container or in the glass bowl. In this case, or in my case, I'm using plastic, but it works pretty well either way, in glass or plastic. And then shake. I'm gonna shake a little bit. So for this project I've chosen silver metallic color. So the consistency is not going to be too thick or too thin. So we're going to pour acrylic inside, and then you are going to move it around. You can mix as many colors as you want. I'm not going to mix too many for this project, just going to mix maximum 3. Gonna mix some blue. And then rotate as you pour the paint. Just mix it around a little bit. I'm also going to put some yellow. So if there is too much color inside, you can always drain the color. Make sure the paint is not too thin, otherwise it will run out and there will be nothing left inside the ornament. Okay, and then you're just going to pour it on inside the container or in a cup. And that's how they look like. Actually, they look beautiful. They look amazing. Once they dry, they look wonderful. You can let this dry for a few minutes. Usually I let them dry not too long. Let's say 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes maximum. Or you can always turn them like in different ways, because if you let them drain too much, then there will be no paint left in there. So there it is, guys. That's how it looks like. They look beautiful actually once they dry. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. Looking forward to seeing you in the next project. Bye bye.